Learn to use image reference as prompt in Midjourney. There are 3 ways you can do this, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to go about it. For the first method, you can use an image you have on your device as a reference image. Let me quickly demonstrate how to do that. So you head over to this plus icon and click on it. Then you upload a file. So when you get here, you have to choose all the images you want to use as a reference. So here I'm going to choose this one. By the way, if you want to select more than one image, you can hold the control button on your keyboard, or if you are using a Mac, you can hold the command button on your keyboard and select multiple images. So I'm going to select this, and friends, you click on open, click on enter on your keyboard to upload these images to the Midjourney server. Okay, now the images are done uploading. So the next step is to come here to any of the images you want to use as a reference. Then you click on it. Then you right click on it again. Copy the image address. Click outside. Then you use your / just the normal way you prompt. Click on imagine. Then you paste your link, the link you have copied from the image. You leave a space. So I want to use 2 images as reference here, so I'm going to click on this image as well. Right click on it, copy image address, click outside. Then I'm going to come back here. Make sure you leave space before you paste another link. Then I'm going to leave space again. Then I'm going to type in my prompt. So this is my prompt: full body centered 2D cartoon comic book style. Then I added an aspect ratio. By the way, if you do not know how to use aspect ratio, you can check out my video where I taught the step-by-step method to use aspect ratio in Midjourney. So once you have added the prompts you want the Midjourney to transform your image to, then you can hit enter on your keyboard. Now you can see here's the result for the combination of image and text. Okay, so you can see Midjourney took the image prompt we use and combined it with the text to make this look like a comic book character. Now I'm going to try using the image link and another text prompt. So now let me try this other image. So I'm going to click here, right click, then copy image address like we did earlier. Then I'm going to come back here, / imagine. Then I'll paste the link to the image I have copied. I'm going to leave a space. Then I'm going to type cartoon. Now you can see Midjourney has taken the image, which is this image we entered, and it has combined it with the text prompt and turned the image into a cartoon character. So here you can see, here is our cartoon character that Midjourney has made from the image and the text prompts. You can see, okay. For the second method, you can use any image on the internet as a reference without downloading it to your device. So I have opened up this image here. Okay, this image of Dwayne Johnson. So I'm right click on it. Then I'll copy the image address like we did earlier. By the way, I don't have this image downloaded on my device. Then I'll head back to Midjourney. Now come here, / click choose imagine. Then I'll paste the link I have copied from the Dwayne Johnson image. Then I will leave space. I'll paste my prompts. I have already written down my prompts, so I'll just copy it and paste it here. So my prompt reads: Dwayne Johnson as an 80-year-old baby. I know that's funny. Photorealistic, Unreal Engine, cinematic, 8K. Don't mind all of these other things I write here. Just focus on the Dwayne Johnson as an 80-year-old baby. So now the AI will take the image and this prompts, which is Dwayne Johnson as an 80-year-old baby, and generates an image for us, which will be to turn Dwayne Johnson into an 80-year-old that looks like a baby. I think that's a better way to say it. So now you can see we have an 80-year-old Dwayne Johnson here, which the AI took the image and combined it with the text to create this image. Now you can see this is an 80-year-old Dwayne Johnson. Okay. This looks so much like Dwayne Johnson, right? Yeah, it does look like Dwayne Johnson. Now, the third method I'm going to show you is the most effective and efficient way to use image as prompts. A video will pop up on your screen. Click on that video that appears on your screen to check out the third method. I will also leave a link to the third method in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you.